Switch to 37 gear.
What is this place? Is this hell? The last thing I remember is that I got hit by a car with Paul Walker behind the wheel.
You are in hell, my son. You must find the key to unlock the gates of heaven. However, everybody tries to find the key. You may think, why can't I go to heaven directly? Well, heaven is full, so we have only a few spots left. Fight your way through to get the key.
That bastard Paul Walker. He ran you over, then drove us into a tree. We should team up and kill Paul Walker. He doesn't deserve to go to heaven. Switch to 37 gear. Faster.